I expected him to be skilled, but not to this extent. I'm afraid he might outmatch his teacher in playing piano.
That won't bother me.
One can never be really disinterested when outmatched by someone else, except when that someone has a special place in one's heart.
Say it frankly, except when you love that person.
All right, this is what I wanted to say.
Then you're right. I'm really fond of this man. Although this won't please you, obviously.
One must respect human feelings, even when they try to direct it towards people of less worth and status. But then, you'd be dishonoring yourself.
I may follow this young man, even if he leads me to the gates of hell.
I disagree with you, but I can understand the wrong decision that a girl feels obliged to accept when she's away from home.
Thank you, منير. نتطول السير. روح لغرفتك.